Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix default printer keeps changing in Windows 11 PC or laptop. First method is turn off allow Windows to manage my default printer. Second method is change default printer. Third method is type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand current version, click and expand Windows. Open legacy default printer mode, change value data to 1. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.